Topic is the SpaceX mission. Why news? ISRO achieved the second successful satellite docking under the SpaceX mission. Docking technology indigenously developed is called Bharatiya Docking System (BDS). More in news. Docking technology joining the two fast-moving satellites in orbit, essential for the mission requiring multiple rocket launch to achieve common objectives. About the SpaceX missions objective demonstrated dangerous docking and undocking of the small aircraft of low Earth orbits. STX-01 Chaser STX-02 is a target docking system developed by the UR Rao Satellite Center in Bengaluru with the support of other ISRO centers. USR URSC, the lead center for the satellite buildings and associated technology, formerly known as ISRO Satellite Center (ISAC). Significance of the missions: the strategic space capability, crucial for the human space flights, satellite surveys, future Bharatiya Antariksha Station. National advancement: India became the fourth country to achieve satellite docking of space after the USA, Russia, and China. Mnemonic for the quick recalls: ISRO, Space Tax Missions, Docked Bharatiya Docking System, UR Rao, URSC located in Bengaluru, fourth India, fourth country to become the achieved satellite docking in space after the USA, Russia, and China. Then we have another topic is the Chandrayaan 3. Chandrayaan 3. Why news? CHAST, Chandra Surface Thermophysical Experiment, become the first mission to penetrate the soils of a celestial body to deploy the thermal probe. Chandrayaan 3. Follow on the mission of the Chandrayaan 2, world first missions, soft land near the lunar south pole. Landing site name is the Shiv Shakti. Point the statue of Shiv Shakti. Successful deployment of the Pragyan rover. India is a fourth country of the soft landing on the moon after US, Russia, and China. Japan is the fifth country with the SLIM, Smart Lander for the Investigating Moons. Launch vehicle GSLV MK3. Key payloads APXS, alpha particle X-ray spectrometers, and laser induced breakdown spectroscopes LIBS. Related to news, NASA Grill missions objective: created a most detailed map of the moon gravity, part of the NASA Discovery programs. Key findings: uneven moon's interior, near side facing the Earth, warmer and geological more active, far side cooler, thicker, and more cratered few lava plains. Tidal disformations: Earth gravity caused the near side flexing greater than the far side, showing the structural differences. About the far side of the moon, always face away from the Earth, called is the dark side due to the tidal logging. Feature: thicker crust, more craters, fewer lava plains. Challenges: rugged terrain, massive craters, limited flat area make landing difficult. Mnemonic for quick recall: CHAST Shiv Shakti, Pragyan Probe, India fourth, Japan is a fifth. Chest thermal probe success, Shiv Shakti landing sites, Pragyan rover deploy, fourth India joined fourth after US, Russia, China, fifth is Japan with the SLIM. The comparison between the Chandrayaan 3 and GRAVL. Objectives of the Chandrayaan 3: soft landing, rover deployment near the lunar south pole. GRIL, grill missions of NASA, map moon of the gravity field. Unique achievement in Chandrayaan 3: first soft landing near the south pole, Cheste Parve. In grill missions, most detailed gravity map. Landing sites of the Chandrayaan 3 is Shiv Shakti Point, and grill mission is orbital mission, no landings. Key payloads APXE, LIBS, and Cheste. And in the grill mission, two spacecraft measuring the gravity. Global positioning: India, fourth country of the soft land, US is a pioneer in the lunar gravity mapping. Then we have another topic is the Oxygen 4 mission. Oxygen 4 mission AX4. Oxygen 4 mission carrying Indian astronauts, Group Captain Subhanshu Shukla and 3 others astronauts successfully returned on July 15, 2025. About the Oxygen 4 missions, AX4, fourth private astronaut missions to the International Space Stations. conducted by the Oxygen Space US in the collaboration of NASA and SpaceX. Launch vehicle SpaceX Falcon 9 spacecraft SpaceX Dragon. Aim of the Oxygen 4 missions. Realize the returns, the human space flight and India, Poland, Hungary. Mark each nation first missions to the ISS except USA. First governmental sponsored astronaut flights in the 40 plus years of these nations. Indian milestones. Subhanshu Shukla, first Indian astronaut to board ISS. Only the second Indian space after the Rakesh Sharma in 1984. About the International Space Station (ISS), habitable artificial satellite in the low Earth orbit. Key partners: NASA in USA, ESA in Europe, JAXA in Japan, CSA, Canada Space Astronauts, Canada, and Russia, Roscosmos. Largest artificial body in the orbit function in the laboratory in space. Orbit design fly over the 90% of the inhabited Earth. Then quick mnemonics. AX4, fourth private astronaut missions. Dragon, SpaceX spacecraft. Shukla, first Indian in the ISS. And DeWitt, India joined the ISS mission. Quick comparison Indian space milestones, missions and astronauts in year and achievement. Rakesh Sharma in COT-11 in 1984, first Indian in space with USSR. In Chandrayaan 3, 2023, India first soft landing near the lunar south pole. SpaceX missions 2025, India first successful satellite docking missions. Oxygen 4, Subhanshu Shukla in 2025, India first astronaut on the ISS. Then we have another topic is the commercial Earth observation satellite consolidations. Pixel. Pixel successfully launched 3 new Firefly satellite aboard the SpaceX NEOS Falcon 9 mission. Complete the first phase of the commercial constellations. More in news. Pixel Space India led Consortium win the in-space proposals to build India first fully indigenous commercial Earth observation satellite system under the PPP models. Consortium members Pixel Space India, PiSight Space and Cetrus Analytical India and Dhruva Space. EOPPP model, private sector design, build and operate the EOSS. Government provide the strategic, technical and policy supports. Dhruva Space Lab first mission in 2 orbits demonstration satellite also launched aboard the SpaceX NEOS Falcon 9 mission. About the proposed EOSS, planned constellations of 12 EO satellite over the next 5 years. Deployment period is 4 years, equipped with advanced sensor, the panchromatic, high resolution backed in white imaging and multispectral color bond of the vegetation, water, soil study and hydrospectral. Hundreds of the bonds of the minerals, crop, pollutions, analyze, microwave SAR, synthetic aperture radar, all weather dry night images. About the EO satellite, also called as Earth Remote Sensing Satellites. Purpose: collect the information about the natural and artificial activity of the Earth. Application: physical system, landforms, oceans and atmosphere; chemical system, pollution and emission; biological system, forest, crops and biodiversity; human system for urbanization, infrastructure and disaster management. Quick recalls: Pixel Fires, Firefly satellite launch, PPP, public-private partnership model, constellations 12 EO satellite, Earth remote sensing satellites, 4-year deployment timeline and multi-sectors, panchromatic, multispectral and hydrospectral SAR. Then we have another topic is the Earth polar orbit. Why news? Farm 2 missions launch aboard the SpaceX Dragon spacecraft. Mission is highlighted, conducted first X-ray experiment in the space, cultivation of the mushroom in the microgravity, first human space flights to cruise directly over the Earth polar region. About the Earth polar orbits, the satellite orbit passing over north to south pole. Even the 10-degree deviation is still classified as a Earth orbit. Altitude 200 to 1000 km in the low Earth orbits. Significance: enable global coverage of the Earth rotation beneath, crucial for the weather monitoring, mapping and spy satellites. Issue: require greater fuel since the rocket cannot use Earth rotational boost, unlike the equatorial launches. Strategic importance of the polar orbit and the equatorial orbit. Coverage of the polar orbit is entire Earth or globe. Equatorial orbit is limited to the equatorial regions. Altitude of the polar orbit 200 to 1000 km in low Earth orbit. Equatorial can vary the low Earth orbit and geo Earth orbits. Application of the polar orbit is weathers, mapping and surveillance, and application of the equatorial orbit is communication and broadcasting. Fuel requirement for the polar orbit is higher, no rotational assistant, and equatorial is lower use of Earth span. Then the difference between the low Earth orbits, SSO sun synchronized orbit, and medium Earth orbit MEO, and geostationary orbits. The altitude of the low Earth orbit LEO is under the altitude of 2000 km. Application of the LEO: satellite imaging, communication, Earth surveillance, and navigations. Details of the LEO: International Space Station also orbits here. The shorter distance make it easier to astronauts to reach. Then the sun synchronized orbit SSO between the 600 to 800 kilometers. Ideal for the studying land use changes, ice melting, and weathers. Details: particular kind of the polar orbit in which satellites are sync with sun. Then we have the medium Earth orbit MEO. The altitude is 2000 to 36,000 km. Ideal for the navigation, satellite, and telephonic communications. Details of the MEO: satellite in the MEO do not need to follow the specific path around the Earth. Then we have the geostationary orbits GEO. Altitude 25,786 km. Application for the telecommunication, weather, satellite, and GPS etc. Detail: fly above the Earth equator, moving from the west to east, exactly matching Earth rotations. Then we have the another missions of the ISRO. Quick revisions of the other mission of the ASTROSAT. India first dedicated astronomy missions. Objectives: access the X-ray, ultraviolet, and optical wavelength simultaneously. Orbits: place in the low Earth orbits. Spectral range: cover near the UV regions, enable the exploration of both high energy and faint astronomical sources. Then we have another topic is the Venus orbital missions VOM. India proposed mission to the Venus. Objective: extreme dust and ionization atmosphere and the air globe, map its surface topography, study solar X-ray spectrum, and investigate subsurface structures. Launch vehicle LVM-3, launch vehicle Mark 3. Key payloads: Venue advanced radar for the top sites, ionospheres and subsurface sounding, VRTISS, Venus orbit dust experiment etc. Then we have XPOSAT, X-ray polarimeters satellite. First dedicated satellite from the ISRO carry out the research on the major X-ray emissions for the celestial source like the black hole and neutron stars. It is the second satellite in the world to study X-ray polarization, first being NASA imaging the X-ray polarimetry exploration. XPOSAT payloads: POLIX, POLIX, polarimeter instrument in the X-ray, and the expect X-ray spectroscopy and timings. Then we have the another in news, the Aryabhat satellite. India first satellite Aryabhat complete the 50 years. Low Earth orbits built to conduct the experiment X-ray astronomy, aeronomics, and solar physics. Named after the ancient Indian mathematician and astronomers Aryabhat. The other agency, the Lucy missions conducted by the NASA. Launched in 2021, name the Lucy was chosen the honor of the fertilized human ancestor named Lucy. Objective: first space mission to explore Jupiter Trojan asteroids. Trojan asteroids orbits are two storms led in the follow Jupiter. Then we have the Taiwan to Bay. Chinese National Space Administration CNSA. Objectives: collect a sample of the asteroid 2016 HO3 and the main belt Comet 311p. Then we have the biomass missions agency, European Space Agency. Biomass is the first satellite to carry P-band SAR. Objective: map of the world forest to provide first comprehensive measurement of the forest biomass and the store carbon in the global scale. Then we have the solar orbitals. launched by the ESA and NASA. Objective to close up image of the sun, observe solar wind and solar polar regions. Significant better understanding of the solar cycles and magnetic field. Then we have Chandrayaan 5, the LUPIX Lunar Polar Exploration Mission, launched by the ISRO and JAXA in Japan. Objective to study the lunar volatile materials, South Pole. ISRO will primarily build the landers while the JAXA Japan will provide rovers. Then we have the Orbital Carbons Observatory, launched by the NASA. Objective global measurement of the atmospheric carbon dioxide. Then we have the Escape and Plasma Acceleration and Dynamic Exploration of Mission, launched by the NASA. Objective to investigate how the solar wind interact with the Mars magnetic environment and how interaction drive the planet's atmosphere. Then we have another topic is the cryogenic engines. ISRO conducted bootstrap mode start test on the CE-20 cryogenic engines in vacuum conditions. CE-20 now we qualified the Gaganyaan missions. More in news. CE-20 is the largest cryogenic engines developed in the Liquid Propulsion System Centers (LPSC) in the Valimala in Kerala. Power of the upper stage of the LMV-3 launch vehicle Mark 3. Cryogenic engines. Cryogenic fuels plus oxidizer, both liquefied in a very low temperature application. Used in the last stage, upper stage of the rockets for the high efficiency. Working principle. Thrust produced in the internal combustions and pressure difference. Based on the Newton third law, every action has an equal reaction. Then we have in news the semi-cryogenic engines. Hybrid design. Combine cryogenics plus the conventional engine benefits. Use cryogenic oxidizers, liquid oxygen, plus hydrocarbon fuel and kerosenes. Advantage high thrust, simple handlings compared to the fully cryogenic systems. Comparison between the cryogenic and semi-cryogenic system. The fuel used in cryogenic system is liquid hydrogen. In the semi-cryogenic is a kerosene. The oxidizers of the cryogenic engine is the liquid oxygen and the same is the semi-cryogenic system is liquid oxygens. Then the temperature of the cryogenic engine is extremely low, minus 253 degrees Celsius, and the semi-cryogenic temperature is moderate. Kerosene is here to store. Stage use, the upper stage is a final boost in the semi-cryogenic stage and in the core stage, main lift. The efficiency of the cryogenic engine is a very high specific impulse, and the efficiency of the semi-cryogenic engine is a high but less than the cryogenic. Then the handling of the cryogenic engine is a complex cryogenic storage, and the handling of the semi-cryogenic engine is easier. Kerosene is stable at a room temperature. Then the quick mnemonic and quick recalls. CE-20, India is the largest cryogenic engines. Cryo boost, high thrust and last stage, Gaganyaan. Human space flight missions, upper stage power, LVM-3 final stage. Then we have another important topic is Navik. Navigations and with Indian constellations. Why news? During the Operation Sindoor, India used Naviks for the multiple combat operation, mission guidance, drone navigations and battle damage assessment. About the Navik, developed by the ISRO, earlier known as Indian Regional Navigation System IRNSS. Coverage. Provide the position, velocity and timing. Services up to 1500 km beyond the Indian landmass. Satellite constellations, 7 satellite plus ground station operating 24 into 7. 3 satellites geostationary orbit, 4 satellite inclined geostationary orbits. Equipped with the dual band signals L5 and S band. L5 signals encrypted military use. Services, standard position service SPS civilian use and restricted service strategic military use. Strategic advantage, independent from the GPS, India can strike deep without the relying on the foreign navigation systems. Encrypted military channels prevent jamming spoofing during the sensitive missions. Faster signal lock, higher accuracy over the Indian subcontinent compared to the GPS in the some region. The difference between Navik and GPS. The coverage of the Navik is India plus 1500 km beyond. The GPS is USA. The satellite image of the Navik is 7 plus regional and the GPS is 31. The signals of the Navik is L5 and S band and the GPS is L1, L2 and L5. The military use encrypted RS channel, and in the GPS is encrypted military signals. Accuracy higher in the Indian region, and in the GPS global standard accuracy. Quick recalls: 7 satellite in the Navics, 3 GEO and 4 GSO, 2 signal L5 plus L band, and 2 service SPS civilian and RS for the military. Then we have another topic is a Hope analog mission. ISRO inaugurated the Himalayan output for the planetary exploration Hope along analog mission in the Tasokar Valley in Ladakh. About the Hope mission, module is the habitat modules, crew livings and utility module for the operation and support systems. Interconnected for the seamless workflow, led by the ISRO Human Space Flight Center, HSFC, industry partner and top Indian institution. Objective: stimulate extraterrestrial environment in the Moon and Mars, test human survival, health protocols, equipment in the space-like conditions, study planned epigenetics, genomes, psychology and physiology. Some collections of the microbe analyze techniques aim to prepare long-term human mission beyond the Earth. Global Analog Research Station, Mars Desert Research Station by USA, Flashline Mars Arctic Station by Canada, and BIOS-3 by Russia. Why Tasokar Valley was chosen? Mark-like condition, high UV radiation, low atmospheric pressure, extreme cold, line permafrost, and support the technological test and astrobiology research. Strategic significance, human space flight preparation, test survival and health protocols for Moon and Mars mission, astrobiology research, study microbial life in the extreme conditions, technology validations, equipped tested with the Earth analogs before the deploy in the space, global standing, places like the India alongside the USA, Canada, Russia analog mission capability. Quick recalls of the Hope missions: Hope for Himalayan outpost for the planetary exploration, Habitat plus utility modules, long term human missions, extraterritorial, Moons, Mars stimulation.